credit analysis before we upload the file. You have been doing this in a very logical way, which is not always correct. In the sales point of view, that is fine. If in a sales point of view, people can check the files only by checking the documents, and then you can just send it for login. But once it is in the point of the credit who are actually assessing the valuation of all the files, whether it is personal loan or BL, or business loan or a home loan or loan against property or even for credit card, their thought process is entirely different, because they always look for the asset. They assess the file in terms of whether it is a credit worthiness, whether the customer is or the client is able to pay back the money or they will not pay back the money. So if you really look at, there are for any credit thing there are 5C. There are 5C. We all have to work on the parameters of 5C only. What is the 5C? The first C is called the character. The character. That means once you are evaluating the file of any person, you have to first find the character of that file. What is the character? That means you have to find out, like, what are the situation of the customers, what is the history of the customers, what is the history, how the customer is behaving, what is the previous history, loan history or the credit card history or the any legal or compliance history of the customer before the file is logged in. So it is called character. Second point is the condition. Condition means the customer is applying for the loan. What are the purpose and what are the purpose of taking loan? Whether the customer is applying for the loan or for something else, like for the marriage or for personal thing or for children's study or for any domestic cause or for building the house. And what is the condition of the customers at the scenario? Whether the customer at this juncture, that is what is the salary, whether the salary is fitting to the system or not, the eligibility, these are all the things you need to see.
Yeah.
So that means first is the character, second is the conditions, and then also whether this customer is eligible for the loan or not. That means you should know what is the debt size of the customers having debt utilization of the customers of the credit, or the customers you will be able to fund the customers or not. For that, what is supposed to check? You have to supposed to check the FOIR, and you have to also supposed to check the debt credit utilization ratio. By that you will know whether you will be able to give the customer the loan or not. And then comes capacity. When we talk of the capacity of the customers, that is also very, very important. That means capacity of the customers also correlated with the condition of the customers, where customers' income, debt, where the customers will be able to get the loan or not, and also customers' liability. Apart from the financial liability, the customer has got other liabilities also. So you have to understand that also before taking any decision. Okay. Then you come to the collateral. Collateral means if the loan fails, that means whether the customer is able to mortgage something or collateral security. So if suppose customers is able to give as a collateral, so that if the customers is taking 50 lakhs of loan, customers either put in a 70-75 lakhs worth of your collateral of the house or anything else, flat, just a flat or anything else, or even the guarantees. Some guarantees also customers are giving. All customers are able to give some. Suppose customer has got an FD of 20 lakhs, and customer asking for 10 lakhs. Customer says, okay, fine, you take my 20 lakhs FD as a collateral, or Kishan Vikas or any sort of financial securities that can be put in as a collateral, and against that customer, or even the LIC. In LIC for that, if the LIC is already paid for 3 years, so that sum assured of that 3 years, so whatever the money you paid it, 75 to 80%, maximum 90% you can take it as a loan. So these are all can come under the collateral.
FD will be collateral.
FD also can be collateral because you can lien. Fixed deposit you can lien, no? That means you are giving the FD as a collateral. You are taking against the loan. So that up to 90% you can get it. So your collateral is a FD. So that FD will be lien in the name of the bank, or a LIC will lien in the name of the bank. Kishan Vikas Patra will be lien in the name of the bank. So ultimately, this also, or anybody who is also a government servant or highly paid service with a high credit worthiness, what happens? That all the things are coming under that. So ultimately, these all the things will be also coming as a guarantee, also a part of collateral. That is somebody, that is physical. What is a physical collateral? One is somebody is giving the guarantee of that. That is also giving it, support to the file. Okay. Then comes capital. Capital means what is this? Like say, if it is a personal loan, the person must be saving some money every month. Or maybe last 2 or 3 or 4 years he has been putting money for to the capital market, or even he is putting money in insurance, or he has got the FD, or he is running the RD, or he has got the mutual fund, or he is putting the money in the shares and all. That means the customer is already having a habit of putting money in that market. So customer is already having some sort of money with him. In case of any problem comes, or in case anything happens, what will happen? Customer will be able to reduce that capital and he can fund it back. And in the case of business, what happens? Suppose it is a business, they will see what is the scheme of that. The businessman is put in the business. Like there is a business of 4 crores, and the working capital already businessman has put in 2 crores from his pocket. That means he has already given the scheme, his own scheme. That is the intention of that businessman to run the business and pay back the money, because he has also put in money. Okay, so that is also business. Understand? How many 5 C's are over? But how many?
6. Character, condition, debt side, capacity, capital.
5 are over. So all the 5 you really to take note this. Which one is the most important? Most important first is the what? That characters. When you talk about the character, first of all you will in the character you will find out the details of the customers, and C will also be there. So you will know that the customers whether credit worthy is or not. What the history will speak about whether that customers is also equally important. So if you think of it, I can tell you people working very clearly. There is one more thing comes at last. That is number 6 point. That is the common sense. Some people just simply go as per this 5 as a just like a parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 does not match, we take the 5, okay? And the 6 point is the common sense. That means the person should have a common sense of the business and the competitors, how they are doing, and what is the risk havers, and how the risk can be mitigated with the help of the better business intelligence. So the best credit person will always will use their business common sense along with this 5C. So 6C is the most important, where suppose these 5C are not matching, or out of the 5C, 3 are sound, 2 are not sound. Then that he will use the business intelligence and he will try to find out whether it is possible or not. Because nobody wants to lose the good customers. Understand? Thank you.